Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on dark mode on Twitch. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Twitch is one of the biggest streaming services and arguably the next big thing in tech. Originally, the streaming platform was focused solely on gaming. Nowadays, however, it offers wide variety of categories to enjoy. For example, one of the most popular gaming alternative is called IRL, short from in real life. Instead of showing live gaming footage, the streamer are talking to their viewers. It is one of the favorite websites for our team for two main reasons. The first is somewhat trivial and expected we love computer game. There is not much to be said about that. The second is, as the team behind Night Eye, it is not hard to guess that we love dark mode. Twitch, unlike the majority, the most popular website and platform, listened to its user and developed in a built-in dark mode. So how to do it if you want to turn on the dark mode on your Twitch? It's so simple. You can just open your Twitch and go to your profile. From here, you can just go to your settings, account settings, tap on preferences. Sorry, I think there's error with my Twitch. You can tap on account settings and go to preferences, and you'll find there is an option app theme. You can just tap on that. You can use light, dark, and system default because we want to turn on to dark mode. You can just tap on dark and it will turn out like this. And you can also choose on system default. If you choose on system default, if your phone is using dark mode, so the Twitch will be turned to dark mode. And if you use light mode on your phone, so the theme on your Twitch will be on the light mode too. It's so simple, right? So that is how to turn on dark mode on Twitch. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!